We're in this very weird dungeon-like garage in Rome. Poopy! And we got an elevator here. Looks like it is older DMG. Very metallic. Excuse me.
Parcheggio, parcheggio.
It's made by Sbarbaro.
Piano terra, ground floor.
Does it say? Oh, 320 kilograms. Anyway. Are you going down?
Sì. Ah, grazie, grazie.